Hi my friends, today I have a new perfume. It's this one and I will be unboxing it for you and we will actually check out what type of smell this perfume has. Um, so the name is Mohra and it's by Lattafa, and there is another version which is actually came out not long ago, and that one is pink one. It's like a pink bottle and the name of that one is Silky Rose. I was trying to get that one, but actually I couldn't find it in stock, so I couldn't, but at least I got that one. To be honest, when I smelled it in the shop, I I didn't I didn't kind of want to get it, but because I couldn't find like anything better, and I thought maybe I will give it a go, maybe I will like it within time. So from that my first type of smelling, I didn't thought that there is anything too much exciting, but of course, like, first impressions are always first impression. I'm gonna unbox this perfume, guys, right now, but before, let's remember, guys, what did I purchase recently. So I got that perfume is Saphir, by Al Noble, which actually I quite slightly like, but not too much. And this one is Amir, which actually I'm struggling recently because I find it difficult to wear in summertime, but actually the oud that is there, it's not too strong as if it could be in other perfumes. So this is kind of like a type of more gentle oud, but even though it's gentle oud, I still actually couldn't yet enjoy it. Couldn't find my ways to enjoy it. And then, guys, one of the first purchases that I decided to buy in shop was basically this one, but it's possible that it's a mistake because one of the comment that I got from the person that was around me at that particular time was that it smells really awful. Like, I don't know, it's musk. There's saying that musk and vanilla. It's actually, I don't think it smells awful, regards to that comment that I got, but I got scared, because obviously I don't want to smell bad around other people, so probably that musk that is there, not old people would like, but realistically, this perfume is supposed to feel kind of easygoing and fresh. But I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. But isn't this doesn't seem to be bad perfume? It's just not good enough. Not good enough. Probably I don't have a great relationship with musky type of perfumes in general. So maybe, guys, that's the one. But today, guys, the video is not about this. So I'm gonna open this perfume. I haven't read about this perfume a lot, guys. We will unbox it, and then after that I'm gonna read the notes for you, and we're gonna see, guys, what could be in those notes. So through those, let's say, beautiful box, nice, kind of nice, really nice box. The expiration date, let's read it, guys. Expiring in 2028 July. So it's made in 2023 July, so last year. So I have 5 years to finish this perfume, which is long and good time enough, And let's open this perfume. I like, guys, when the perfume has these type of pompons. I like it, guys. I like the way it looks. Don't you guys like the way it looks? I really like it. It looks pretty royal, like, to have this perfume in your collection. I have only another perfume that has a pompon. That one is by Shams Al Emarat Kususi. I have that perfume which has pompon, and I like that perfume somewhat. It's nice, guys, really nice, lovely. Such a lovely perfume to have it, really, really. And now it's exciting what's inside. In the painting there are trees, some sort of trees with some sort of like a stars, so in the notes, guys, let me, can't feel much, but in the notes, this perfume has I have some sort of notes here. So basically it smells like woody, and then it smells like spicy woody, and then fresh spicy, and then basically like musky. There's some sort of like amber and something else, and then in the notes you're gonna have orange. It is written like a bloody orange, and there is like a saffron, there is bergamot, there is cedar, there is patchouli, sandalwood, there is labdanum and musk, and there is something else there as well. So anyway, so we can actually we can actually open it, and you know what, in the reviews there, oh my goodness, so mm, hmm, in the reviews, guys, I saw that people are talking as this perfume would be kind of smelling like a Coca-Cola type. Some people doesn't like it because it's a bit too much Coca-Cola, you know, but some people say that it smells kind of niche and not bad for this price. So it's really type of controversial, you know, just like this you know, opulent you know, the Lattafa, that red bottle, opulent red, you know, that perfume, it's really controversial, but I actually ended up liking it somewhat, you know. So anyway, guys, we can just try it on. I read that it stays really long, but then some people say it's not long. Oh my goodness, what's that? Oh, oh. Oh, it's actually surprising. So when they say Coca-Cola, so okay, there is that Coca-Cola, but somewhat like that's pretty powerful. This stuff is kind of like a herbal type of notes, guys. That's pretty intense and deep and powerful and sweet, which is really lovely. It actually surprises me. At some point, I thought that it smelled a little bit like Santal 33, like or that Zara perfume, you know, New York, but actually it's completely wrong. Don't mind this type of saying, but maybe that's sandal, is it sandalwood? There must be sandalwood that makes it smell like this. So it was pretty powerful opening, really type of warm, type of woody, spicy. But I wonder how does that labdanum smells like in general? Because I felt this type of, must be something there that makes this perfume very deep. Like it could be maybe patchouli comes with sandalwood and that labdanum that is actually is deep. But then there are those orange note and bergamot that tries to make this perfume kind of fresh, but that sweetness and deepness and freshness kind of blend together and becomes this type of deep perfume, you know. It's that powerful opening, it's fading. So there was that smell of Coca-Cola, now it's faded, guys. So now it became like some sort of like a dry down of hmm, of sandalwood with those little bit of warm spicy notes that kind of makes me want to spray again and to feel that powerful smell again. You know, that's what it feels like. Now I'm concerned about, again, if people would smell this type of like smell bubble around you. What do they would think about it, you know? So it's fading, guys. Interesting. Guys, let me just enjoy it a little bit more. Let me just, I don't know, guys, if this perfume is actually possible to wear it in summer, but looks like I would probably much rather wear this perfume than that, you know, than this one, because so this one I think I prefer more because it's more interesting. That Coca-Cola note that people said it could be a bit annoying, actually. Hmm. as that first type of impression is not bad, you know. At the same time, I'm not sure is that good enough to say that it's a wonderful perfume, but it's not bad. So that's the reason, guys. I kind of decided to purchase it, just kind of to experience a little bit more. This perfume is unisex. That's what people say, but I need to experience it more. Hmm. That type of woody type of thing. It's one of the type of top notes. That type of wood, you know, the sandalwood or whatever wood type of little bit of spices. Let's see, guys, how it goes. You know, sometimes they say that if you wear in summer, in hot season type of perfume that is a bit strong, or basically they say it will last type of longer, because sometimes when you spray type of fresh perfumes, they disappear. So maybe like that could be type of good enough. For example, guys, this one, it's not summer perfume, but actually when you spray it in the heat, it actually it does it really stays long. And even though it's not fresh perfume, but actually it kind of stays on you, which is great. So maybe this one could be, good enough. So you know what we need now? We need to really experience it more to see, like, I'm gonna be wearing this perfume a lot, throughout years and years, and we will see how it goes. Really, I didn't had the opportunity to try that Silky Rose. What's that perfume about? I wonder. But at least I got that one. And this perfume, we will see, guys, how it goes. Maybe it would be one of those perfume that is kind of warm and woody, warm and woody type of, like. Even though there is orange and bergamot, but it's not it's not that fresh. It's more like woodiness and spiciness overcomes, and that patchouli makes it like so deep. It overcomes. So kind of like that, guys. I don't know if I would be able to recommend you to buy it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I would say only buy it if you smell it, in the shop or somewhere. But that sandalwood is there is quite a lot of sandalwood. Hmm. Interesting, guys. Interesting. We will see how it goes, and I will tell you my experience in the future. I hope you like my video, guys. I hope, you got some sort of impressions are kind of in between. So I can't recommend you to buy it so far, because it's not, in my opinion, standing as if it would be perfect perfume, but kind of it's interesting to try. It's interesting to try, and I will see how it goes, guys, the performance and everything. I will come back to you next time. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you soon.